I'm going to be updating you about the stock market. So let's first take a look at my account. Today my account has made a loss of $144, which is a loss of 0.22%. Right now the net asset of my account is $66,315.71. Today SQQQ made a loss of 3.29% to 19.13, and United Natural Gas made a gain of 8.84% to $7.02. As for the market today, market generally closed higher. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 1.26%, Nasdaq Composite closed up 1.15%, and S&P 500 closed up 1.22%, making their highest gains in almost 2 years. Today, the software infrastructure closed up more than 2.5%, leading a gain in the market. Today, well-known economists said the Fed hawkish pause is just a strategy, and the BlackRock's launch of a Bitcoin ETF could breathe a new life into the cryptocurrency market. David Rosenberg, a well-known economist and chief analyst of Merrill Lynch, North America, believes the Fed will keep interest rate unchanged at its June meeting, but hinting at future rate hikes. It still effectively conveyed a message of policy tightening, which could be strategy for the Fed. The president of Rosenberg Research equipped a tweet late Wednesday said the Fed is a genius, found a way to tighten it without tightening it. Rosenberg believes that the Fed is signaling future rate hike while keeping interest rates unchanged, a move that may be deliberate strategy by the Fed to curb financial market speculation that the Fed tightening policy is coming to an end. Rosenberg wrote, "I think this move is a hint at two more rate hikes is a strategy to ensure that the stock market doesn't spike when it pauses. And every strategist tells investors to happen." Rosenberg has made clear over the past few months that he thinks the Fed has done enough to raise interest rates. Since last spring, the Fed has raised interest rates from near zero to more than 5% to curb inflation. As of present, the U.S. inflation rate has fallen from 40-year high reached in 2022. As U.S. regulators crack down the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, filed an application to launch the first publicly traded spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund (ETF). On June 16th, according to the Financial Times, BlackRock recently submitted an application to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF, which is expected to become the first publicly traded fund of this type in the United States. If the SEC approves the application, the fund will be traded on Nasdaq stock market. This makes BlackRock's further increase in investment in the cryptocurrency space. Last year, BlackRock launched a privacy spot Bitcoin Trust, and the launch of the Bitcoin ETF will further strengthen BlackRock's position in the cryptocurrency space and bring new vitality to the crypto market. However, SEC has repeatedly rejected similar proposals from other asset managers because of the fact that it's not very regulated in the financial industry. Recently, it sued a lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase, the two largest global cryptocurrency exchange market, and has considered to have conducted the strictest regulatory action ever since against the cryptocurrency. As a backdrop of Bitcoin price has fallen more than 60% from their 2021 highs, BlackRock's launch of Bitcoin ETF could breathe a new life in the crypto market. BlackRock's action shows the world's largest financial institutions are still interested in Bitcoin. In its semi-annual update forecast today, Bundesbank said that the German economy would contract this year and inflation would remain above 2% until at least 2025. It expects the German economy to contract by 0.3% this year, worse than the European Commission's forecast of 0.2%, but this forecast is slightly improvement from its forecast of 0.5% 6 months ago. The inflation is expected to be 6% this year, below the European Union's 6.8% forecast. Inflation is expected to slow to 3.1% next year and 2.7% in 2025. On the inflation front, risks tend to be upside upon the Strong's Act, and high inflation could be more entrenched if wage and profit growth are stronger. That's all we have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next episode.